What if your home could feel both modern and cozy at the same time? That is exactly what warm modern interior design does. It blends minimalism with comfort to create a space that feels stylish, calm, and welcoming. Instead of cold, empty interiors, warm modern design focuses on soft colors, natural materials, and layered textures. The result is a home that looks modern but still feels warm and lived in. So how can you create this look? Start with a neutral color palette. Think of shades like beige, cream, warm gray, taupe, or soft brown. These colors create a calm and minimal base, while their warm undertones make the space feel inviting rather than cold. Natural materials are a key element of warm modern interiors. Use wood, stone, linen, or wool to add depth and warmth. Wooden furniture, stone surfaces, simple wooden shelf can instantly make a room feel more natural and comfortable. Minimalism doesn't mean empty. Layer your space with rugs, cushions, throws, and soft fabrics. These textures add comfort and visual interest without making the room feel cluttered. Lighting plays a huge role in creating warmth. Combine ambient lighting, floor lamps, pendant lights, and wall sconces. Soft, warm lighting makes a modern space feel cozy, especially in the evening. Finally, add a few personal elements. This could be artwork, plants, books, or handmade decor. These small details make the space feel authentic and truly yours. Warm modern interior design is all about balance. It keeps the clean lines of modern design while adding warmth through colors, textures, lighting, and natural materials. When done right, your home won't just look beautiful, it will also feel comfortable, calm, and welcoming.